Guys, welcome back to the channel. The crypto markets continue to spark interest and things are starting to get quite interesting. We can see altcoins are moving fairly nicely at the moment, but we're really kind of getting close to that edge. We're getting close to that decisive move that we need to see for Bitcoin as we get back into a very key trading pattern known as an ascending triangle. So we want to see more bullish continuation here, and ideally we want to see Bitcoin break away and through that 25.2k level, because we did get that perfect bounce out of this support at 24.6, still following the textbook ascending triangle here, and we had that outrageous pump to 26.5k. so hopefully we can see something similar very soon. Markets looking wild, altcoins are up, Bitcoin is 24.7k. Just want to say also thank you to all the new subscribers and patrons here. You guys are amazing. So is it time to be buying or selling? Well, if you're like me, you don't really care what the price is at any given time. If Bitcoin is 15k, 20k, 25k, if it's a dollar cost average opportunity, it does not matter, because I still believe Bitcoin will achieve $100,000+ by the next crypto bull run. Now, looking at the Bitcoin monthly returns historically, we can see April usually is actually a good month. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Aprils from 2013 have been green. So 60% of Aprils are green. There is a good chance we might see a green April around the corner. So there's always one thing to consider. Of course, we've got the new tax year as well. When we look at the sentiment overall, most people are, I would say, long in the market right now. 5-minute period, if we look at the last hour, there were actually more shorts, but this is always changing. Sentiment is always shifting around as well. I'm really interested to see what can happen. So it's all about whether we can hold this ascending triangle. Now, the lines have moved a little bit, of course. We have got sort of this sort of thing going on now, so there's still space to come back down. Moving into the 1-day time frame, you can see it's another green candle. We've got about equal buying and selling pressure at the top. We are not overbought on that RSI either, which is also a good thing. Love Hate Unu as well. This pre-sale here has raised $861,000, guys. There's only 1 day left to buy more of this coin at this current price. It's in stage 1. It will be in stage 2 tomorrow. I am buying into these meme coins because I just think they're fun. They give you a sense of euphoria, and there's a lot of upside potential, even though they are risky. So remember, it's not financial advice, but if you are looking for the next fun meme coins to get involved in, the last one we looked at was Tama Doge, then Love Hate Inu could be the one. The link is down below for you guys. Do your own research. Love Hate Inu is a meme coin that offers utility in a voting system where you can actually vote on societal matters. And you can see there's a few different graphics here which make it pretty cool. You've got Elon Musk, CR7, Kim, Trump as well. So definitely check that one out. 8 phases, $10 million hard cap, ERC20 network, and it claims to launch 70% higher than the current price. Looking at the markets overall, with Bitcoin hovering around 24.8k, Ethereum at 1.65k, things are looking good. If this can be the sort of undervaluation sort of phase now, 24.8k would be absolutely fantastic. So we're going to look at Bitcoin on the macro in a second, so do bear with me as we will look into the weekly time frame to see what sort of price predictions we can look at in the next year or so. Interestingly, something else that's happened, of course, the last week was a bit rocky. We had a very strange event over the weekend. We had USDC repeg or depeg, but now it's repegged back into the dollar. So if you did manage to buy USDC down at this level here, you would have made like 12% on your money just from buying the dollar at a lower cost, which is pretty cool as well. So that's very good. Everyone is not too fuddy anymore about this particular thing. We've also got inflation data. This is a UK inflation. Looking at the month, still coming down. We're sitting at 8.8%. Not as bad as before in October. We had 9.6%, so things are getting better. Be very curious to see what February will bring to us. And the US inflation is down as low as 6% right now, so even though inflation still exists, it's almost like it's getting a little bit better. Investor confidence is going up, but I would say let's not get excited too quickly, because things could equally reverse very fast if we do. But yeah, looking at this chart, it's on a decline. Looking at the year to date, also on a rapid decline, so things are looking much better. One thing coming up for April, which could, of course, have a bit of a deleterious impact on the price of Bitcoin, is that Binance will be suspending British pound deposits and withdrawals. Skrill Limited, which facilitated GBP transfers for the crypto exchange, will no longer support the currency unless it can find another service provider. Crypto exchange Binance will suspend British pound sterling deposits and withdrawals starting on May 22. according to an email shared with Decrypt. This could be very, very bad for the sentiment, and of course would lead to a lot of frustrated investors. Also want to say, guys, if you are new to my Discord or the YouTube channel, it's a fantastic Discord that we've got with over 5,000 members. Now you might be on the hunt for some leverage signals. I'm going to show you a little sneak peek of what these can look like. We've got loads here. We've also got the trading cards. This is all of the trades that people are making in the Discord. So if you're looking for signals to make some money in this crypto winter, that could also be very helpful for you. So the link is also down below for my Discord channel. Please do check it out. And of course, you know, we've got the area where we're just all hanging out and talking about what's going on in the crypto world. The Patreon prices are very, very reasonable, guys. You're just looking at £20 per month. So far we've got 156 patrons, so feel free to join in if you want those future signals, if you want an ebook DCA signals, if you want to get inside info on the trending and most hot pre-sales in the crypto space. Patreon and Discord is down below for you. But yeah, guys, I think, you know, lastly, the last thing we can look at right now is that the Fed announces a new emergency loan program for banks to ease contagion risk from Silicon Valley Bank. So effectively, this means there is not a lot of trust with banks anymore. We're seeing lots of bailouts. We're seeing banks with liquidity and reserves that, you know, they haven't got enough money to pay for these sort of collapses. So we can see here the collapse of Silicon Valley Bank, the second largest in American history, came as its depositors became concerned over the value of the bank bond portfolio. Many banks have a similar profile, holding bonds that have lost value as the Fed has sharply raised interest rates. It was called an old-fashioned bank run by former FDIC Chair Sheila Bair. So banks are a bit dodgy right now, and I think people are turning their heads to the world of crypto, where they feel like they just have more control over their assets and what is going on in the market. So yeah, guys, really, really keen to see what might happen for this week in crypto. Sentiment is now 52. If you are new to the channel, please feel free to subscribe, like, and comment on this video, and hopefully see you guys soon. Remember to get yourself into the Discord channel. And if you are new here, have a little look at the Love Hate new pre-sale down below. It's pretty exciting. I do hold about $2,000 worth of this, but you don't have to copy what I do, of course. And yeah, remember, this is the first block of your own research, so do take it easy, stay crypto safe, and I'll see you very soon. See you guys.